Situated in the beautiful country of Montenegro, Budva is a charming city offering a combination of history, stunning scenery, and pristine beaches. This coastal gem attracts tourists from all over the world. Capturing footage from the air, the drone offers breathtaking views of the picturesque coastline and charming cityscape of Budva. From pristine sandy beaches to the historic old town, footage shot from above allows us to appreciate the beauty of Budva like never before. The landscapes of Budva are truly mesmerizing. The picturesque coastline and stunning mountain scenery create a breathtaking environment for travelers. The city boasts beautiful beaches with crystal-clear waters, making it an ideal destination for sun lovers and water sports enthusiasts. Budva has a rich historical heritage dating back to ancient times. The old town, surrounded by medieval walls, is a treasure trove of historical attractions, including churches and narrow cobbled streets. Exploring this enchanting place gives visitors a glimpse into Budva's past. The city's unique combination of history, natural beauty, and thriving tourism industry makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience in Montenegro.